How to adjust the audio volume balance between left and right channels on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Audio and Visual. Then we scroll down and in here, tap on or drag on the slider bar to the left to adjust more volume to the left or more volume to the right. And that's it. So that is how you can adjust the left and right audio so that you can have more sound on the left side or on the right side. After you have made the adjustment, you can simply swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.